Paris, France, Elaine Thompson-Herah returns to the track after placing second behind Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in Lausanne, Switzerland. Now, this Lausanne race was absolutely incredible, as Fraser-Pryce lowered her own personal best down to 10.60 seconds, defeating this year's Olympic champion Thompson-Herah by just 4/100ths of a second. This was the fastest 1-2 finish in women's 100-meter history, and returning to the track once again to challenge the status quo for speed was Thompson-Herah from Jamaica. Now, in this race, we also had Shericka Jackson, Dina Asher-Smith, and Natasha Morrison, but it became clear very early in this race who would ultimately place first overall. With her otherworldly top-end speed, Thompson again crushed the field in this race with a time of 10.72 seconds. She just makes this look so incredibly easy. With no challenge from any other runner in the field, she still ran a time that ranks her as the 6th fastest athlete ever in the women's 100. This has been a remarkable season not just for Thompson-Herah, but for the women's 100-meter dash overall. Over this past weekend, we took a poll as to whether or not Florence Griffith Joyner's world record of 10.49 seconds would ultimately be broken this season, and after a few days of voting and just over 3,000 different opinions, about 20% said that the world record would go down this year, while the other 80% said that Florence Griffith Joyner's 10.49 would stand strong. Indeed, there have been many fast times this season from both Thompson-Herah and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, but now with only a few big meetings remaining this year, will either one of these Jamaican legends take down the world record of Florence Griffith Joyner?
Well, away first time, the headband of Thompson-Herah going well. Pushing her well is Dina Asher-Smith. Thompson-Herah, though, now through the transition phase into her running. Let's keep an eye on the clock. She's streaking away. 7:72. It's a meeting record that has stood since 2015. 1.3 meters per second. A slight tailwind propelling her forward, but, well, she returns to winning ways. Would she have been pushed harder perhaps by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce were she here in Paris this weekend? Thompson-Herah, though, what a sequence, and she's now running in and around 10:70 for fun. Jackson, this time, upgrading from third to second, and Asher-Smith coming in just behind her in 11:06. But Tim, the Thompson-Herah juggernaut just goes on and on.
Look at that though, Chris, 10.97 for Jackson, and good to see Dina Asher-Smith gradually clawing her way back for that third place.